Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to delete your account on Qwen AI. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web browsing application. For me, it's Google. Tap on it. On the Google search bar, you have to type in Qwen AI and it will get you to this platform. From the home page, you have to tap into your profile icon at the top right corner. In pop-up, select Settings. In the settings interface, you have to tap onto your profile icon, which is at the last. In the profile section, you can see the option of delete account at the very bottom of your screen. Tap on delete account and you just have to simply press and confirm to delete your account permanently from Qwen AI. And it's quite simple and easy. So this is how you can delete your account on Qwen AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.